Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Summertime means more operational checks are needed on your mirror curtains. Let's go over the vital maintenance procedures needed and the replacement steps for these curtains. First, the tools and supplies you'll need are safety glasses, 8-foot ladder, and a pair of scissors. First things first, start with your daily maintenance by checking that everything's running smooth. Listen closely. Any unusual noises coming from the equipment? If something sounds off, don't ignore it. Next, inspect the emitter cloth. Look for cuts, fraying, grease, or oil. If you spot any of these, pull out the affected panel and either fix it up with a pair of scissors or swap it out for a new one. If you see significant wear or damage, don't hesitate. Replace it to keep your setup in prime condition. Then, check to make sure the manifold is flowing properly to keep lubrication on the cloth. Weekly, give your gear reducer some love by checking its oil level. Top it off if needed to keep things running without any interruption. While you're at it, grease the rod ends on both ends of the drive arm. It's a simple step that goes a long way in keeping the operation smooth. Our third step requires diving a little deeper for our monthly maintenance. Inspect all your hardware and fittings for tightness. A loose bolt today up there can be a big problem tomorrow. Take a close look at all the plastic bearings. If the center hole looks egg-shaped or deformed, it's time to order replacements. Don't forget to inspect the spray nozzles for wear and replace any that aren't up to par. Finally, give the whole setup, including the framework, a thorough cleaning. To wrap everything up, make sure your annual preventative maintenance step has been completed as planned or on schedule, which is draining, flushing, and refilling the oil in the speed reducer. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended type of oil to use. Follow this plan every summer and your emitter curtain will keep running like a champ. A little time and effort now can save you major headaches later, and you'll feel great knowing everything's in top shape and getting ready to roll. Staying on top of these simple tasks means fewer surprises down the road, less downtime, and more reliable performance when you need it most. Treat your equipment with the care it deserves, and it'll keep working hard for you season after season. That's all for now. As always, good luck and good washing.